All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at which Ekster wallet is best for your personal preferences. On top, we have 3 different colors of the new Cardholder Pro. We have their regular wallet, which is, of course, aluminum as well, and we'll talk about the features. These wallets don't have the upgraded metal push button like the Cardholder Pro does. It's a great looking wallet. This is, of course, is the white color. We have the Senate right here, and then we have the Fortuna Cognac is their top tier leather wallet right here. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and talk about the difference between their aluminum wallets and their new upgraded Cardholder Pro. Now, before we do take a look at the differences between the Cardholder Pro and the older model of the aluminum wallet, top link in the description box below of this video, that link is going to hook you guys up with 10% off whatever Ekster offers. You don't have to buy a wallet. They have awesome tech backpacks, duffel bags, all sorts of goodies, but whatever you want to get on their website, use that top link for 10% off. Depends on when you're watching this. They're having a killer sale right now, so take an extra 10% off of that. Let's check these wallets out. Okay, so everything functions the same, but you're going to have upgraded hardware in the Cardholder Pro. Metal push button on all their Cardholder Pros, as well as metal internal mechanism inside. They both flip up your cards the same. They both have the RFID technology. They both have the expansion plate and the cash band, as we can see right here. So let me just pull these out. I have 6 cards in front of me right now with my very thick Crypto.com card. Those cards cannot be put into the older wallet, but the Cardholder Pro, I can slip those in just beautifully here, again, with a metal Crypto.com card right there. The Cardholder Pro can hold up to 14 cards, 1 to 14 cards. And again, same exact design to it, but some sweet little upgrades. And in my personal opinion, I would go with the Cardholder Pro with that metal push button, metal internal mechanism, some sweet new colors. This is the electric yellow. We have the desert red right here. Let me flip that around here, matching on black, looks beautiful. And then the forged carbon, which is subtle but beautiful as well. Forged carbon right there. Desert red, forged carbon, and electric yellow here. And this again is in the white color right here. All right, so that is between the older style aluminum wallet and the new Cardholder Pro. All right, now let's look at the Senate wallet, which is a really cool design to it. Has a nylon cash strap right here. Has your push button right here, which folds out your cards just like all the Eksters. Use your most used card on the front or on the back is what I personally do for the wallets. That way it's just easier to bring it out like this, put it back in, and let me put my Costco card on the back. So again, just lining it up with your back cards, putting it all in. There's your most used card on the front. I don't want to show my license, and then putting it back like that. Now, the Senate also has a little spot right here for a card. Let me show you that, or cash. But as you can see, a card slips in right there if you want to as well. Or if you want to have your hidden gems in here, let me go ahead and pull out my cash. I got 5 bills, 50 bucks, folded in thirds, hidden underneath the back of the Senate here as it expands with that nylon right there. And then you can have more cards in there if you want, or cash like I do, or coupons. As you can see, the back of it, the front of it, and then again, that expansion area in the back, which is lined up right there. You can't take that apart. That's all one seam. And then the cards flip out just like Eksters do right there. That is the Senate wallet. Again, this is a nylon band right here. Now coming to the cream of the crop, the Fortuna in the cognac color. This is their upgraded, beautiful, I'm talking gorgeous leather wallet for you folks that need a little bit more room in your wallets. So it has a foldable area here. Nothing is detached. It's all one piece. So pretty much this would be your Senate wallet right here. But the Parliament does give you the flap over, beautiful, again, Fortuna, cognac, beautiful leather, stitching all around, Ekster logo right there. Push button is right here. You can access your cards with the flap folded or unfolded, as we can see right here. Most used card on the front, most used card on the back for easy access, goes down, or take them all out if you want and sort through them. Same method applies on the Cardholder Pro and aluminum wallet as well. Cash strap right here. You don't have to have it right there if you don't want. You do have 2 pockets right here. 1 and 2 for your coupons, garage sailing, gold embossed Ekster logo right there. And on the back of the wallet, you have one more slip-in area where you can put your cash there. More cards here, coupons, cash here, and then your cards right here. It's an absolute beautiful leather Parliament Fortuna Cognac color. Once again, it's gorgeous. So no matter what wallet you do choose, I think you're going to be highly impressed. If I were to go with my top 2, just personally for myself, I would go with the Cardholder Pro. I can tuck all my goodies in, but my second runner-up is going to be the Parliament wallet. Just a little bit more room in there, fishing license, more cash, garage sale money, coupons. We all take our coupons with us. So that's my personal opinion there. Again, if you want to get 10% off whatever wallet, or I highly recommend their extra tech backpack. I use it all the time for my trips. Then top link in the description box below of this video. Get 10% off whatever you order on their website. They make solid products. You're going to enjoy them. That electric yellow is pretty sweet, isn't it? Well, guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech-related videos, DIY home projects, and more. Once again, top link in the description box below. My name's Chris. We'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.